Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is Thursday and I have bad news. We already took four losses day for yesterday, Wednesday, right? Yesterday Wednesday. So as you can see, from now on I won't be showing you all trades from my laptop anymore because my laptop just got stolen, and also my girl's phone also got stolen, and so because of this now I won't be posting videos from my laptop anymore. So I will just be doing everything from my phone, the charts from my phone, everything from my phone. I just believe this is just a means to slow me down, but this shit never gonna slow me down. So I'm gonna be posting now and editing everything right from my phone. I know there are many people who are doing this, so I don't need to complain about it because I don't have a laptop and shit like that. So, and also I am changing my trading strategy. It's same strategy, nothing changes, but I'm no longer trading the lower time frame anymore. Now it's kind of like a swing trading because I'm gonna be holding trades and be waiting for trades for like days and weeks, and because of this it's just a different. I'm just a swing trader now. Let's just put it that way. I'm a swing trader now. I'm no longer a day trader because there are so many variables, different entry variables on the lower time frame, and this is actually making me to take multiple trades, even though I know I'm not supposed to be taking them. But because I know different levels to take setup from, it's kind of like, a form of triggering that makes me to want to take those trades. Okay, this level is going to work, so if it doesn't work I'm still looking at another level and stuff like that. So because of this I'm actually doing swing trading, no longer day trading. And also I realized why I chose to become, or why rather I've been day trading. I realized that I wasn't day trading because I really wanted to day trade, but I was day trading simply because I needed to create content. I was looking for setups, strategies that could give me frequent setups so that I can create content. And it was not all about me and my progress in my trading career, but rather a means of kind of like growing on my own and also trying to impress people. And because of this I realized that I might be growing, but if the impressing aspect is not also showing, I'm kind of like feeling unsatisfied. So because of this I've totally focused on myself as a trader, and I'm doing this simply because I want to improve as a trader and not to create content for people or to see how great my strategy is for people or how to trying to impress anyone. But now I'm focusing on myself as a trader, and I'm choosing swing trading as the right strategy for me, and not a means to create content for people. So yeah, these are the updates, and which also mean I might be creating one video every week simply because sometimes we might not have setups in 1 week or two, so the videos will not be daily as usual, but might need to one video per week or two videos per week. Just all depend on whenever I see a setup. But I'm gonna be posting educational videos on how to trade, but the day in the life video is what is going on in my personal life. That part of the video might just be once a week. So yeah, we are back to losing 4 trades in a row in a single day, breaking our plan also. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you all the P&L of the account currently, and the only improvement I think I did not blow that account up after taking 4 straight losses in a row. I just left it and I was just like, this is just crazy, that revengefulness that I used to feel after making 4 mistakes in a row. I didn't feel that. It was just fun how I've taken a win just recently, and now I've taken back. I've lost those wins, and stuff like that. I was just like, this is just BS, and I just left, and that's how it is now. So I'll keep you guys updated, and please like the videos, subscribe, share, and like, and I will see you all next time.